Wah, wah, wah. What's up, everybody? Welcome into another episode of Blockchain Brew Show. I'm your host tonight. Super late night, guys. How you like it? You know, we do show up every day Saturdays. It's kind of a wild card, man. It's just, family and life and everything that we got going on. The world trip was busy today. I was busy today. It's summertime, camping out with the folks. I was like, guys, I gotta bounce, y'all. I gotta go get the live up, at least for today. But if you guys like us showing up late, please smash that like because we don't miss any days. Don't smash it down because we'll still keep showing up even if you do. Hit the subscribe bell right here. Please hit the subscribe button. You'll find it in one of these corners over there on Rumble and Kick. We just grow naturally. Right on. Let's pretty much get into the news. What we've got going on. Are we going to bounce? We're probably going to skip the news unless you guys have something you want me to read because it is late. You know what I mean? I'm trying to get the music up right. Sorry. You guys might get blasted pretty loud when I get it set up. Okay, it's probably still too loud. Remember, what's crack-a-lackin', man? Can you make your characters dance? LOL, don't forget to hit the like button. I don't know. That's a good question. Trent and Molly. Hal. I think Hal designed those. And, we'll see. We shall see. All right, I think we got everything looking good. Looking good. Let's throw up the charts. Dude, did we call it or what, man? I literally said XRP to 275. He went down to 274, and I said Bitcoin to 111. Freaking drop down to right there, 111, that sweet spot. We'll see. We'll reevaluate. Where's my charts at? Here it is. Add to stage. BTC. You guys, how'd you like us showing up, man? Threw everybody off, didn't we? Oh, dude, I messed this up on Rumble. My bad, Rumble peeps. I messed it up, guys. There we go. I accidentally set the live stream up for tomorrow. I was like, no, tonight at 11, not tomorrow at 11. All right. Bitcoin. The bitty bit. Dude, we freaking nailed that, dude. Just went into 111 territory. Oh. All right. We had the bearish divergence. Yes. Oh, wait. That was bullish divergence. That didn't play out at all. That didn't play out. Well, it did a little bit, but not a lot. We have quad green dots, actually, which is a good sign to see. We're only on the 1 hour right now. We broke above the 21. It was a good, nice pump. I was saying in the Discord, if you guys now are in there, you should definitely join the Discord because that's where we drop on stuff during the day, before we hit the live. I think by tomorrow, I would expect to pump up to 115. And I don't know if the paint's completely over, to be honest with you. We kind of need these 12 hours to really get a clearer picture, especially it's an interesting time. Weekends are low volatility. So, not low volatility, but low liquidity. So there's higher volatility is what I mean by that. We'll see. I think we'll hit 115. The one thing by tomorrow, but I'm thinking the last 4 weeks we've had we pumped into Sunday, and then Monday we had immediately dump. So I don't know if we're out of the woods yet. I wouldn't be surprised to see Bitcoin hit like a 1.9 territory. That's a solid little bounce though in the 1 hour. And one of my thesis is the reason why we might pump. We might pump into the pump up and touch the 21 and hit this level right here, and we eject off it, and we'll drop back down to one more time to this range right here. So where's my paint pen? So I was thinking we will continue to pump, which we still need more time to figure it out. We hit the 21 right here. We'll touch that little bad boy, and then we can continue down into this range one more time. Maybe not though. I mean, it's kind of we have to read the data. We might just also could double bottom, and we could also just kind of go off to the moon. Let's check out what the larger time frames say. Double green dots is good. Momentum is coming up. It's good. Stokes so low. Money flow is coming in. VWAP's coming up. Strength is also shooting up. This is only the 4 hours, 6 hours. Looking good. Looking good. We just closed. No, we just got in this candle. So we were down here on this candle, the 6 hour. And now we immediately are up. Okay. Still looking like 21, man. We have the lagging death cross. Is the death cross over? I don't know. I would be inclined to say no. I think we'll have a fake out to the upside. VWAP's good. Strength's up. Stokes all high. Momentum is going good. Going good. Let's jump to a larger time frame. 12 hour. 12 hour might be rolling over, but as you can see, we've been on this weird zone right here where the money flow has been leaving on the network. So the question is, we kind of have a little flat plateau right there. Is it going to balance out and start heading up? We don't know. We just formed the death cross right here on the 12 hour. As you see, the 21 just crossed through the 50. And usually when we cross through the 50, we'll have a little bit of continuation before we actually have a reversal. And now what I mean by that is, look at this. You know, we just crossed over right here, and we had more continuation to the downside before we flipped. And it still doesn't quite look like it's flipped yet. Let's see, let's check out another one. The 1 hour crossed over right here, and we had continuation for half a day maybe. So we just flipped it, or just crossed over the death cross right here. 12 hour. I don't care about the 16. I want to jump to the daily. The daily. Oh boy. Now this is going to be the sign that's really going to tell us what's going to happen tomorrow. We do not have a death cross currently on the daily, but the gates are still pretty open, man. Saying there's more downwards action on the daily. The 2 day, it says the same. Look at that, guys. We had that red dot right there. We were like, hey, man, the longer time frame, I don't know. The 3 day still had it. But the 8 day, we have it. The weekly, ooh, interesting. We got a red dot on the weekly. That is the first time we've had a red dot on the weekly. Are we going to close it? Are we going to close our red dot, guys? We'll find out in 17 hours. We do not have. We do have. Oh no. Oh no. Swing down to swing up. That's pretty bearish divergence, actually. I got to text myself this. I'm going to do some more studying on this tomorrow for the daily close. I need to take shots. All right. Alright. We'll have to dig into this tomorrow. Ooh wee, man. We got some scammers over there on Kick, always pushing us the right direction. Interesting. The monthly, oof. I don't know, guys. That weekly is pretty nasty. You know, is August going to be a good month or a bad month, man? If we close a red dot right here, I think we're going to have more downwards action. You know, if we close a red dot here, we could come down to 105. As a good scenario, we could come back over to 100. We could come back to 97-ish. I don't have a feeling. Well, how's the dominance look, though? We got to check out Ethereum. We only had a green dot anchor trigger wave right here. I was really thinking that we were going to get some good dominance action coming in. Dominance looking still going up. Strength coming in. Stokes coming up. Money's coming in. Dominance is at its first level support. If we break that, I wouldn't be surprised to see us shoot up back up to 64%. I'm not saying altcoin season's over yet either, guys. Definitely not. That's not what I'm saying. Daily, the dominance is pumping. 2 days still pumping. 3 days still pumping. 3 days hasn't even started yet. I think the Bitcoin dominance will probably pump up to 63.25%. You know, you can really see this. I drew this at one point. I said we'd come down to right in this range. Look, we really did came down right in that range, and we might pump back up. 63.25. Doji candle, trend reversal. If this plays out right, we pump up and then we start this alt season. So I hope that plays out. Do that on the 5-day. Let's shoot over to Ethereum. What's Ethereum looking like? Ethereum short-term good action on the 1 hours. I don't really like the little bit of bend right there. I don't know if it's over yet. I don't know. Make a short pump to $3,500, but I think Ethereum it could go as low as 3K. The money flow wave has been shrinking. We drew this out yesterday, where we can see this green money flow been leaving. We might dip down before we come back up. It looks like we're in for a short-term pump, but I think we don't trade against the trend, right? Well, I mean, the trend was going up, but we had a low, and now we're having a lower low. A lower low. The daily, that's not too bad. It's kind of flipping a little bit. I still think we'll eyeball in the $3,500 level. If we can come down just below the 0 line and make a trigger wave to the upside, I think that'll be the best bet. 2 days still looks like it's playing out. 3 days looks just starting. Weekly, I gotta raise some of my stuff to see what's up, Kryptonian. It's crackling acting, man. It was super late stream. Saturday's always all over the place, so you never know. But we will make it at some point. It's still technically 11:12 p.m. This August 2nd down here in Seattle. Make some of my data, which I didn't really want to do, but I'm going to triple top. The weekly still hasn't looked like. The weekly hasn't rolled over, so that's good news. How is it me, man? It's good, dude. This ain't scaring me at all. Weekly on Ethereum still looks like it's just getting started. But I think that we're going to have short-term downwards action before we continue up. Just keep an eye on BTC and Sol at the moment, seeing if you can hold some bubbles. Hey, did you sign up, Kryptonian, to the BYDFi link? Somebody signed up today, and I was curious if that was you. Got that bonus. I'm gonna take a look at. I think short term we're bullish on Bitcoin leading into tomorrow's close. We've dumped the last 4 Sundays going into Mondays after the close, so that's what I would be. I'm kind of anticipating. Like you said, Bitcoin and Sol follow each other pretty strongly. Sol's done pretty hard though. We were talking about this yesterday. Deep in the red strength and Stokes are low. Money flow's coming back in. Death cross right there. Lagging indicator. Actually, it wasn't that. It was like almost that time. It didn't really look like it was lagging. Double green dot. Snake eyes bottom. 6 hour. We're starting to pump. This looks kind of good. I think Sol probably, just going off this, is leaning to a pump up back up to 172. 12 hour, starting to roll over. Money flow's still been leaving. I don't know if we're out of this downtrend, to be honest with you, but I would expect us to probably pump up to this local resistant level. Look at the 21. It's shooting for a death cross right now. Not yet. Where is the link? Oh, it's in the description, good sir. It's in the description. Yeah, it's the, when you hit more, it's the first one. Partner with BYDFi. You get the bonus on trading fees, and you get the bonus on the deposit bonus, which is where it's at, bro. Where it's at. Green money flow has been leaving. Red Stokes are still high, coming down. VWAP is pumping. It's just about to pump up. We haven't quite crossed the 0 line. We're at 1.98. The momentum waves are so freaking close to starting to roll over themselves. But the daily looks to open doors to the downside. Like I said, I think we'll probably pump up on Sol. But maybe I would like to see it hit 170-ish range. And then I think we'll have continuation to the downside. I mean, the DBSI says a 20 freaking 4. Oh my goodness. Yeah, well, that's the odds saying the next candle is going to be red. Sometimes they're kind of weird candles with Heiken Ashi. Like this one was a red candle, but the next candle didn't go as low, and it still was red. But I think we're probably going to go lower. Did you you said you don't sleep on trades then? So last night you closed your trade out and sold then, right? Or did you end up staying in it? What did we talk about yesterday? One of my picks. It was it was Toncoin and something else. Sorry, it's gonna be a short stream today, so I'm trying to shoot through a lot of the stuff because shoot, man, it is almost midnight. Where's Toncoin at? It's in the gaming sector. That's where I have it saved. Memes, gaming, ton. 4 hours. Ooh, maybe possible trend reversal. Yesterday was good. Golden cross back here. Money flow. Possibly a little bit of trend reversal we got going on the daily. We got the red dot. We have bearish divergence. I'm gonna be bearish on Toncoin. I don't know if it's a hard. Well, maybe it's not bearish divergence. A little bit right there. Toncoin's pumping on the 4 hours. Interesting. Okay. We'll take it back. Maybe we'll just be able to wick like that. This is not 24 to the downside like freaking Sol was. Well, we have to keep an eye on it, definitely. I think that it's lost some of its strength for sure. What was another one we looked at yesterday? The weekly still looks good, though. Oh, Trent wants to join us. All right, yeah, I got you. I thought I wasn't sure if you were going to jump on or not. Did you text me back? Oh, you did. Oh, okay. My bad. I got you, Trent. Trentinator. I am not in. Whoops. Yeah, give me a second, Trentinator. I was like looking at my messages and I was like, I'm not signed into our account. Sarah signed herself in and I didn't notice it until just now. Here you are. I was like looking at the messages, like, who the hell's messages are these? I got you. Toncoin, huh? Well, let's scout out, man. Like I said, I think we're going to be pumping leading into tomorrow. Oh, there you are. What up, dude?
What up?
You're freaking hidden.
Oh, I know. I just got home. I'm like in
dark cave, man cave. You go to a brewery tonight?
No. I had a tomorrow I'm gonna go to a few, and I'm gonna leave our business cards all over the place. But no, tonight I was at church, a big a bunch of churches get together for like a prayer and worship night once a month, and then like a bunch of us were like out to eat afterward and stuff. So it's a big thing. I'm tired, but I did want to jump on and say hi. And also, and I don't have the charts in front of me. However, we retested back to basically the top of the previous break. So to me, that's technically we could go like a couple grand lower to retest the, to like retest like to the T, like to perfectly retest the previous break. However, where we've come so far is a pretty good retest. So I wouldn't be surprised if, like I said, I mean, we could go a little bit lower for a perfect retest. But this is a classic case, in my opinion, of flipping resistance into support. You can't flip resistance into support if you never test it as support.
Yeah. We were looking at Bitcoin. Something bad happened today on Market Cypher, Trent. We got a red dot on the weekly with some pretty strong bearish divergence.
Yeah. I mean, I'm not too worried about that.
You're not too worried about that?
No.
We'll see. If it closes tomorrow, I'll be pretty worried about it. But we could have a reversal. We did have a reversal last red dot, and we flipped a green dot.
Yeah.
It doesn't happen very often on the weekly when we get reversals.
Well, but and it can also red dot, green dot.
That's what I mean.
Like it can, yeah.
But on the weekly, it happens when we get a multiple like that. Last time it happened, besides last month, it was like a year ago.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to wait and see.
Right, I get it. Yeah,
but
yeah.
Like I said too, I don't think alt season is voided. I just don't. I don't think the bull run's over. I think that if we dip down, that just creates another buying opportunity for anybody who felt like they didn't make it in time.
Where I would be very surprised if anything can happen. We don't know what's going to happen.
Yeah,
I would be very flagged the previous range. From 10 anywhere from 109.7 to 111.2. I would be very surprised if we go much lower than that. I mean, if lower than that at all. So
I'd be surprised too. I would be surprised. But I was leaning into a pump tomorrow up to the close, and then I would expect some sort of breakdown with a retest after the close, leading Monday to start off the new week.
Yeah. Well, I did want to just hop on and point that out about flipping resistance into support. If that's what we're doing and we bounce off of that support, like support and resistance is king, I think that would be a very good sign. So, other than that, I'm going to hop off. I'm sure you'll probably wrap up soon too, but cheers.
Cheers, brother. Have a good night.
I didn't have a beer tonight.
I don't have one right now either. Yeah.
All right. Bye.
All right, later. I should take it back. I haven't had a Mac and Jack. You guys ever heard of Mac and Jack's? Mac and Jack's pretty good beer. I like that. My brother got it for me. He's a good man. He's always thinking of his family. It's about a pump. Into the 12-hour. 4 hours looking good. I definitely think we shall be pumping, man, next couple hours. So we're gonna lean bullish tomorrow on everything up to the close. We'll see if it plays out, or at least up to the close or to the 21. I'm calling it right now. We'll see. Not financial advice, right? But anyways, shoot, man. It's 11:25. I'm tired, but I just wanted to get on here and talk to you guys. We appreciate you. And so we try to get on every single day. Usually it's not this late, But you know, life happens sometimes, but we still make it. We make it. But tomorrow we will be on for the daily close. Jump on in to watch the daily close. We appreciate you guys. If you ever have any tips on what you want to see, please shoot us a message in the Discord or drop a like and a comment in YouTube, and we'll totally go over any coins that you guys have questions about. And if you really want a detailed video, we might even make a description or a whole rundown of that coin. If it's complicated or you want something super detailed, we can do that, guys. Okay, so we appreciate you. We're here for you, just like you're here for us. You guys have a good night. We'll catch you tomorrow. All right, later. Gotta bounce.